Hi, this is a basic unboxing video on the Rode Wireless Go. And when I mean basic, I'm just going to basically show you what's on the box all the way around and what you get in the box. I won't do an actual in-depth video on the Rode itself because there are so many videos out there to choose on YouTube about this product. But one thing I did notice, was nobody actually went round and showed you what's on the box itself and details of the stuff in the box. They just basically showed you the box, took the items out, started telling you about how small the item is and what's on the item, and then did tests on the video quality of the item and the distance and range of the item. So this is just a basic unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go to show you what you'd be in for just before you buy it. Now, with that out of the way, I'll show you on what you get. And obviously this is the box, and the box is quite small. Now, just to prove it, I've got medium-sized hands and it doesn't even come up to my little finger. So that goes to show you how small these products in here must be, because the box is very, very small. On that side of the box, you've got a man with his shirt with the Rode in there, with the microphone part in there. On the box, I'll bring it close. This is what it states on the box. As you can see, and it tells you what the box contains. As you can see there. And on the side of the box, on this side, it tells you it's ultra compact wireless, built-in microphone, 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. Now I'll open the box. Now, I did not really open this box. I got this product yesterday, and I didn't really open this box. I happened to glance on Amazon, and I got this Rode mic system off their warehouse deal. Now, what happened was, I think somebody must have bought this and probably didn't like it, and so I got this off their warehouse deal, and I only paid just under £20 cheaper than the current price. So as long as the item works, I didn't mind somebody opening this up before I did. And this is what you get in a box. So you get a box within a box, and you get that. Now, when you buy it brand new, there'd be this serrated edge will be sealed, and you just lift that up and peel that away. That's what you get on the side of the box. And now we open the box, and this is what you get inside. You've been introduced to a quick start guide, which basically tells you what the various indicators on there and various buttons are for. Now, this TX means transmitter. Basically, that's the transmitter, and the TX and the RX is the receiver. So that's what you get in the box. Right, when you open it again, you get that on the box, a basic instruction guide showing you how to switch it on, switch on both devices, where to place that device on your person, and where to place the other device on your camera. Now, you get the two units, and these units are very small. If you can remember the old cigarette lighters, They're roughly about the size of an old cigarette lighter or matchbox. They're roughly about just a bit bigger than them. So these are the two units. We'll take it out of here. Right, the two units are placed on this card here, and they are held in together by their clips. So we'll put that aside. In the box, you get two furry wind muffs, your silica gel. Now, I never throw these away. These are great to put in your gym bag to take the moisture out of your gloves and straps that you have in your gym bag. So don't throw these away. If you're a fitness fanatic, place a couple of these in your gym bag. We get the cord, which is a SC2 cord, which is basically TRS to TRS, and as you can see, it has the Rode branding on either side and on the cable. You get a little, I think this is a warranty card. Oh, regulator safety, sorry about that. And you get one of these in there, just a little booklet, and it opens out like so. See, we get that in there, and you get a nice case. Now that is a very soft, I'd say soft shell case, or soft shield case. Nice little pouch, and it's velcroed with the Rode branding on there on either side. So we put that to one side. So this is what you exactly get in the box. Right, next I'll take the Rodes out. The microphone, the transmitter and the receiver. Now to take them out, simply just push up to take that one out, and they are really small. Now this is, as I said, this is the first time I've actually taken them out the box, and they are really small. Now I have just forgotten, but just seen, also you get the cables. Now these are the cables to charge the units up, and these cables are fitted in these slots here. So I'll put that to one side, and these are the cables that you get with the Rode branding round on a velcro strip, and these are both, find the two of them, that's it, these are both, as you can see, they are USB-C to USB. So these charge via USB-C, and that's the charging points on them. And I'll find the other one, and there's the other one. Right, I'll go through them just to show you what you exactly get on a close-up. That is the off and on button. Next side, on the other side, is the charging point. We have a 3.5mm jack to plug your mic in, your lapel mic. Now, I believe this can only take a TRS jack in there. I'll have to find out, but I think it's only a TRS. I could be wrong, because I know Rode do a the Smart Lav Plus mic, and that's a TRRS. So I have to see if that will fit in there and it will work. So I'll put that in another video. The built-in microphone. Now the holes on either side are to fit the muff here, which has two plastic connectors here, and they are to fit in there. So this is the unit that you wear. We have a battery indicator here and a connection indicator there, and nothing on that side. And we have the clip, as you can see, with teeth, and obviously made in Australia. So that is the transmitter side. On the receiver side, at the front we have the screen, we have the dB button, we have the link button, we have nothing on that side. On the top we have the off and on switch. On the side we have the USB-C connection to charge, and on here we have a unit out socket, so you can, I think I've got that wrong, I am so sorry. We have the connection to connect it to your camera. So this is for the wire, what I showed you here. This is for that wire to connect into there, to connect into your camera or recording device. And on the back we have the clip, same here with teeth, as you can see, and it says made in Australia, and also it tells you that it's the receiver and the serial number. Now, following the instructions, you hold this button for 3 seconds and the battery indicator comes on, and now the link light is on, and it's trying to look for the receiver. Now you press the receiver button, which is on top, and that's for 3 seconds. That's what comes on, and now it has connected because I am speaking and it is picking me up. Now that's how sensitive this microphone is, because I am standing over my table and literally talking past the camera, and it's picking my voice up quite good. And as you can see on the indicator, it is there. There, I keep quiet, and you can see there it is showing my voice. Now I'll put this down. Now, as you can see on here, we have the receiver's battery level, and then we have the transmitter battery level. Now I have to go and have a look exactly what the sun picture is there. I do not know what that one is. I have to have a look what that one really means. We have the dB slide here. Now by pressing that, there's 3 levels. That's the highest level, that's the lowest level, and that's the medium level. And that is the signal strength between the 2 transmitters. Now I'll switch these off. To switch them off, same way again. I'll hold down the button for 3 seconds. That's now off. Now that light will stop blinking when, I forgot to show you, that light will stop blinking when it connects. And you switch off this unit, holding down the button for 3 seconds. And now both of them are off. Now, as I says, these units are small. Now, as I says again, If you can remember the old lighters, cigarette lighters, I think they're called Zippo lighters. I might be wrong about that, but the old flip-up lighters, they're roughly about the same size as them, or the old matchboxes. So they're roughly the same size as them, and they are incredibly light. Now that's the end of my video on the Rode Wireless Go. As I said, I'm not going to really do a test on the microphone performance because there are plenty of videos on YouTube telling you about the performance of these. Plenty of YouTube videos telling you about the distance that you can get up to with these, and the clear line of sight that you need between them to operate these. There's plenty of videos on there. This video was just a simple unboxing video, just showing you, just before you buy it, in detail what to expect in the box, what to expect outside the box as well. Sorry, what to expect outside the box, the size of the box that these come in, and also what you get in there, and just general detail about that. So I hope you like this video. Do me a favor, please like and please subscribe. Thanks.